Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log out of your Hulu account. To log out of Hulu account is a simple and a straightforward process, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open a web browser and get to the main homepage for Hulu. In the URL box, simply type in hulu.com and search. Once you're inside the main homepage of Hulu and if you're logged in, it's pretty simple to log out of the account. Click on your initial at the top right corner from the main home page, and this will get you to the Manage Your Accounts tab. You don't have to do anything over here in the middle, simply go to the name at the top right once again and simply navigate to it and then click on the Log Out option. Once you click on Log Out, you will then be redirected to the main home page, which means you have successfully logged out of the Hulu account. If you ever want to log in back again, simply go and tap on Log In and follow through the instructions. Type in your correct credentials and then you will be able to log into Hulu back again. That's how you will be able to log out of Hulu account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.